Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out about our online courses. The other day I was talking to a friend of mine who's still in Russia and is very aware of the madness that's going on there. And he was talking about the way that the state propaganda machine is increasing its messaging to try to keep people scared and to try to encourage people to get behind the war effort. And he was saying that just when you think it can't get any crazier, they suddenly top what they'd done the month before and come up with some new idea. So, to begin with, people were told, we're fighting Nazis, we're fighting Satanists, we're fighting LGBT Satanist Nazis. We have to carry out this war because NATO, because biolabs, because combat mosquitoes. Now, it's reached a stage where people are being told that we have to fight this war because they want to eat our heads like zombies. It's clear who the zombies are in this situation. What's remarkable, though, is the way in which the state keeps ramping up the levels of propaganda. If you ramp something up, you basically just increase it. So, because of Russia's brutal invasion of Ukraine, countries all across Europe are being forced to ramp up production of military hardware. They're ramping up production of artillery shells and tanks and drones and so on. If you watch TV crime dramas, for example, you'll notice that they're very good at creating tension. They often ramp up the drama as the series goes on, episode by episode, leaving you hanging on, waiting for more in the next episode. A government might promise, or might decide to, ramp up spending on healthcare, or infrastructure, or drone production. And as a writer, one of the lovely things I've noticed recently is that publishers are finally starting to ramp up digital provision of course books, which is, obviously a good thing for us. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use ramp up